Hello guys, welcome to Trading Academy, and today I'll be going on a Tradingview tutorial for beginners and basically for crypto traders. So first thing you need to do is go straight to tradingview.com and create an account. Once you're done with verification, and here is where you will find yourself. So now it may be complex to beginners. Some may not have not really used Tradingview, but they have more depth of way of using Tradingview. Used for stock indexes, crypto trading, forex, and lots more. So but I'll be sticking to crypto. We'll be going to other places to touch, but I'll be giving us the basic knowledge and the basic way to use Tradingview. So you can check out here. You'll see you see Tradingview here. You see the thank what's new news, like notification, the language, and ticker. Like ticker, I've done that on my previous video. Ticker is abbreviation of cryptocurrency, so you call ticker. Just type BTC. So you see it here. So that is the ticker name of Bitcoin. Then IDA, you can choose asset class, followed authors, trend analysis, harmonic partners. So patterns, so it depends. They come to market, you have cryptocurrency, we have currencies, you have stocks, you have indices, futures, bonds, and lots more. Then contour scripts, you'll be seeing oscillators, centered oscillators, volatility, trend analysis, volume, moving average, and that more. So many other things you want to check them out here, but I'll be going straight to chart to help you know how to draw your chart and how to bring out your chart in case maybe when you want to draw your chart. Maybe you want to analyze a coin, maybe you want to analyze Bitcoin USDC or Bitcoin USD, whichever one. So first off, you come to this chart and click on charts. Alright, here is the chart. Now we're looking at this chart. If you're using a tab trader, it's more easier for you to go, but here you see Bitcoin USD. So how do you change it to check out other coins and maybe Bitcoin USDC and lots more? So now you'll be going down to this place, symbol. Of course it's already on board. You click here first. Yeah, now you click here like the money button first, then you search for the market you want to analyze, maybe BTC. Now BTC, you'll be seeing Bitcoin future, Bitcoin USD, Bitcoin Euro, Bitcoin pound, Bitcoin USD, Bitcoin whole lot. But one thing about Tradingview is that we don't have lots of altcoins listed here. So let's say we go down to check on Bitcoin market. You really don't have lots of much altcoins here, unlike trader app, tab trader. You see lots of altcoins there. So if you can check out, so you see that it is not many here. So let's say you want to check out Bitcoin, Ethereum. So you click here and definitely it's gonna reflect on your chart, but that is after coming down to this section of your watch list. Okay, now before then, let me go do something again to show you what I actually missed. If we type BTC again, now you find out that all these coins are on the exchange, and the exchange which you use to analyze the markets are attached to them here. So now look at this here. You will see Bitcoin USD perpetual contract on Bybit. You will have Coinbase, Bitcoin GBP. You have Bitcoin Euro on BitPay. You have Bitcoin Euro on Coinbase,
you keep going, you see lots of them, but previously I choose Ether, so now I want to choose a link BTC. So it's gonna join my watch list, and here are my watch list. These are the ones I've added so far. So let's say I want to go with the last one, and that is link BTC. I just click on it and it reflects on my chart. So whichever one I want to analyze, here is the chart. If I want to check Ether, now here is Ethereum. If I want to check USD, here is the chart. If I want to check BTC USDC, here is the chart. If I want to check Bitcoin USDT, but on different exchange, like if you check how this last one I put is on Coinbase, and let's check Ethereum is on BitPay, exchange. So let me just choose anyone here, and let's see. Okay, okay, let me go with Bitcoin USDC. Fine. Okay, looking at the chart here, so here the chart of Bitcoin USDC on Coinbase exchange. So what I think to be looking at here, one of the things we'll be doing is to look down here. You see the, and I'm looking at the chart now. What we'll do now is to check how to zoom out and also zoom in, maybe shift the charts. How do you go about it? Oh yeah, hold your right click button or you double click on it, then you can easily change the chart to see the end, see the beginning of the chart. Okay, fine. Then another way to zoom out, zoom in is coming down to this point, put your mouse here, either double click or go the left click button on your laptop, so you can easily do it this way and check out. If you want to draw a chart, if you want to draw support and resistance, so this is a place you should always come and hold. Then another thing, you could easily choose your candlestick the way you want it. You want it to be on bar, you want it to be a preferred candle, so you check out the options there and choose your most preferable one. Then next is your time frame, which is very, very important, and as a trader you should have a specific time frame you are trading on. So before you analyze the market, you must make sure you put it on the time frame you will be trading on, that will be depending on the period of your trading. So if you're skipping, fine, choose your time. If you're a day trader, good, you choose your day trader. If you're a 4 hours trader, so you just choose. Then I'm going to 1 hour. So here is my chart. Remember, like I said, that if you set on 1 hour, simply tells you that each candlestick here simply tells you that each candlestick represents 1 hour. Okay, so this here took 1 hour for this pump to get to this place, and it took 1 hour for this movement here before it could get here. So meaning that each of them is 1 hour. So and I've done that. You can always also use this button to change, or maybe you want to get backward or forward. Maybe okay, let's just say I wanted to check at the previous place I was, and I do want to go back to start clicking on back, so I can easily use this replay sign backward. So it is another thing you could use. And for a not only indicators but trend lines and some of the tools to use to draw on the chart. So one of such is this. Let's say we check it out. You see the options here. You have the trend line, you have the info line, you have trend angle. So the trend line, mostly if you want to check out the market, if it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend market. So definitely say you want to click on trend line. I just did that now. So I'll be coming down here. Any place I click, meaning that I want to draw from that particular point. They just assume I click on this place, and I just, oh sorry,
I drew my line this way. So you see how to use your trend line on Tradingview. So you see I've just used it. So same thing is applicable when you want to put it all to the side. Then if you want to delete, it's very simple. You can easily click here and right click, then click on remove. That is one. Maybe you wanted to show at the top of your chart this point, maybe in the one you want to use, you just click here and click mark on these stars. While you're marking, you check out, you notice that it reflects on this place. I mean that each time you want to use them, there's no point coming down here to come and start checking. Just click on the one you want to use here, then use it, apply it on the chart. So that is about this. Now indicators. Yeah, you want to apply indicators to check out the market movement for yourself, to better your entries and you are exit. I would know there are a lot of things to show us here, but I think you can navigate through this and do it yourself, like the template, the alert, financials. All those are simple things anyone can just do, but I am going to indicators now. So I click on indicator and let's just say that I want to choose Bollinger Band. Okay, well, let's search for it then. Maybe yeah, here is Bollinger Bands. I can click here to add it on my favorite list. Then I can look out for XRI. Okay, XRI relative strength index, and here it is. I just applied it, but marking in here, it should be more better to add it on my chart. So those are places you choose indicators for your trailing. Say I just want to add this, I'll click on this and immediately add it to my chart. Then I'll check out if my chart is an uptrend or is on downtrend movement. So these are how to add any XRI, which I just added here, and it's indicating my chart. So on my next video, I'll be explaining more on the indicators and various ways to use them and apply them, understand apply them on the market and understand your market movement, and to better your entries and your exits. So this is what I just want to show us today. It's for beginners. You can do more for yourself by clicking on all these. Maybe you want to zoom out, a lot to do, or you want to come back, what more do you want to do, settings, camera, a whole lot more depending on maybe what you want to learn. So you can simply use all this. So this for crypto traders, basically the chart, like I just told us that I just checked out the chart on BTC USDC, and okay, fine, I want to remove this Bollinger Band from my from my chart. Like I said before, I can easily click here and click on remove indicator. It's very simple. So lots more. You want to add a MACD, you want to add an EMA, although I've done the XRI here, which has gone off. I can remove all the indicators too. So it's very simple for anyone, but I wouldn't want to go more depth here. On my student course, I'll be going more and explaining how to use the indicators and how to apply them for your everyday trading lifestyle, and to make sure you better your entry and your exit. Alright, so let's keep in touch with us. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube, hit the bell button, and stick to us for more videos. We'll be updating from time to time. So guys, I love you and keep in touch.